Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about Dividend Portfolio Management Checklist for beginners. To begin with, building a dividend portfolio is not only about buying stocks that pay income. It is also about choosing quality companies, managing risk, tracking dividend dates, and staying consistent for long-term wealth growth. First, define your goals clearly. Decide why you are investing, whether your focus is monthly income, long-term growth, retirement planning, or wealth building. At the same time, set your time horizon so your portfolio matches your financial needs. Next, research quality dividend stocks before investing. Look for strong businesses with competitive advantages, stable earnings, and a reliable dividend history. In other words, a good dividend company should be able to generate enough profit and cash flow to support regular payments. After that, diversify your portfolio across different sectors and industries. Rather than putting all your money into one stock, spread your investments across multiple companies. This helps reduce risk if one company or sector performs poorly. Then, check dividend safety carefully. Review the payout ratio, cash flow, and balance sheet strength. A payout ratio below a reasonable level is usually safer, whereas a very high payout ratio may suggest the dividend could be difficult to maintain. In addition, assess valuation before buying. Compare the price-to-earnings ratio, price-to-book ratio, dividend yield, and business quality. The goal is to buy strong dividend stocks at reasonable prices instead of overpaying for income. Furthermore, plan your investment amount. Decide how much money you want to invest and whether you will use a lump sum or dollar-cost averaging. This helps you invest with discipline instead of making emotional decisions based on short-term market movements. At the same time, track dividend dates. Note the ex-dividend date, record date, and payment date so you understand when income may arrive. A simple dividend calendar can help you plan regular cash flow more effectively. Next, monitor portfolio performance regularly. Review your returns compared with your goals and check whether dividend growth is improving over time. Also, watch important metrics such as dividend yield, payout ratio, debt to equity, free cash flow, and dividend growth. After that, decide whether to reinvest or withdraw dividends. If your goal is faster growth, reinvesting dividends can help compound your portfolio. On the other hand, if you need income, you may choose to use dividends for personal expenses. Finally, rebalance and review your portfolio regularly. If one stock becomes too large, reduce concentration risk by rebalancing. It is also helpful to review your portfolio every 6 to 12 months to make sure it still matches your goals. Overall, beginners should focus on quality, not just high yield. Stay invested for the long term, avoid emotional decisions, keep learning, and remain patient. Consistency, patience, and quality decisions are the keys to building a successful dividend portfolio. In conclusion, a strong dividend portfolio management checklist helps beginners build, manage, and grow dividend income with better discipline and lower risk. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.